Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to delete your messenger account in case you don't need it again, or you wish to create a new one and you don't need the old one. This is what you have to do. So after opening your messenger account this way, the next thing you have to do is to tap on the three lines at the left corner of your screen, then tap on the settings icon close to your profile name. The next thing you have to do is to scroll down and tap on personal details. So on my personal details, the next thing I have to do is to tap on personal details. Now you'll see account ownership and control, so tap on it. So you can now tap on deactivation or deletion. So when you tap on it, you select the account that you wish to delete from your messenger. Let me say I want to delete this one now. The next thing I have to tap is delete additional Facebook profile. That is the second option there. So now tap on continue. Now you have to give your reasons for deleting. Before you delete, we may be able to help. We are sorry to see you go. We would like to know why you delete your profile. Yeah, okay. We may be able to help with common issues. Okay. You may also contribute without selecting a reason. So you select any of the reason. Let me say I no longer find Facebook useful, or my profile was hacked. Any of the reason that you want to give them. Let me say my profile was hacked. Let me give this reason. Okay, let me take the last one. I no longer find Facebook useful. So the next thing is to tap on continue. Okay, now you can now choose any of the option. If you want to deactivate the profile, if you want to go to the activity log, any of them, you can tap on continue. If you don't want to work on any of them, then you now enter your password. So after entering your password this way, you now you can now tap on delete. So the confirmation will take place after 30 days. So now you can see I have deleted it. It is going to be deleted like this for duration of 30 days, and I will not see it again in case I need it. For now, it has been temporarily permanently deleted from my messenger. So within 30 days, after 30 days, if I still need it, I can still restore it back. But if I don't need it within this period of 30 days, after this period of 30 days, I cannot log in again to that account. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.